Uploading your CV to Indeed can enhance your job search by allowing employers to find you more easily. Here's how to do it. Sign in. Log into your Indeed account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Navigate to Resume. Once logged in, click on your profile name at the top right corner of the screen. Select Resume from the drop-down menu. Upload CV. On the Resume page, click the Upload Resume button. Choose the file containing your CV from your computer's files or cloud storage. Review information. After uploading, Indeed will automatically populate your profile with information from your CV. Review and edit this information as needed to ensure accuracy. Make CV searchable. Decide whether you want your CV to be searchable by employers. You can toggle this option on or off based on your preference. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with your CV and profile settings, click the Save or Save Changes button to update your Indeed profile. Apply to jobs. With your CV uploaded, you can easily apply to jobs on Indeed using the Apply button within job listings.